I was actually driving a two-wheel car in such snowy days, so I had to put on some snow chain. I'm about to create a flat area out of the snow to set up the tent. Using snowshoes is pretty convenient. I don't know about you guys, but doing this has a weird satisfying feeling to me. Luffy is a 3-year-old Samoyed, a Russian sled dog that I got from Wisconsin. He's pulling my camera bag in the sled that weighs about 10 pounds. Here's a fun fact that blows my mind. Guess how much weight can a 40-pound Samoyed pull? 745 pounds. That's freaking crazy to me. That's like 18 times their body weight. Luffy is 55 pounds. So it should be easy peasy for him to pull me at least, right? Just a couple hundred pounds. So we'll take it easy and see what his capacity is. You can see how satisfied I was with this fried rice. That was so good. And see how comfortable Luffy is sleeping on the snow. Of course, whiskey is a must in the cold.